Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we're going to learn how to design your brand's box styles so you could easily add ready-made box elements to your site with just a few clicks. Let's get started. Go to brand at the top of your screen and here go to boxes. Here you can create different sets of boxes and design each of them. Select what you want to work on. Say, for example, box one, and click on it. Here, you'll have the options to change your box's fill colors, borders, adjust its corners, and even add a shadow effect to it. So go ahead and customize your box however you want to. So once you're done, your changes will automatically be saved, and it's safe to close this panel right here. And if you want to customize your other box sets, feel free to do so by just repeating the process. And that's all for today, guys. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.